Dear parishioners and Marian devotees, we are now in the third week of Lent. One of the Lenten disciplines we are invited to participate is almsgiving. Charity and generosity should be part of regular Christian practice. But during Lent, we are called to do more. The reason for this is for us to think of the poor and strive to alleviate their sufferings. Through almsgiving, we practice charity by helping those in need. It makes us encounter God through the face of the poor. Our Lenten sacrifices, no matter how small, is aimed in growing in our love. Our love for God becomes purer when we are mindful of the least. Proverbs 19 verse 17 says, "Whoever cares for the poor lends to the Lord, who will pay back the sum in full." This Lenten season, share your blessings. Be extra generous. Make your acts of charity meaningful. Beside your treasure, you can also give your time. Volunteer for some special projects. Find ways to serve. Most of all, serve willingly and joyfully with a smile. This March 25, we shall celebrate the solemnity of the Annunciation of the Lord. Mary was chosen, and Angel Gabriel was tasked to bring the good news of her motherhood. Like Mary, we are also invited to live lives of faith and to believe that nothing is impossible with God. Finally, let me invite parents. If you have children ages 3 to 5 years old, enroll them in our Lourdes Kinder School or LKS. It has 50 years of Catholic educational experience. Be assured that your child will not only learn their basic prayers, but also learn to read and write. God bless our Lenten journey.